Welcome to Beautyland After Tennis. Today we're going to create a face mask. So we're going to need 1 egg, half of a lemon. We're going to use the skin of the lemon and the juice of the lemon. We're going to need coconut oil, or you can use olive oil or almond oil, whatever you think it feels better for your skin. They're going to make your skin looks really fresh and tight. We're gonna use this beautiful organic egg. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of coconut oil or any oil that you prefer. This one, you can keep it in your refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. We're going to put our hair away. And you can totally feel the difference. It's really soft. So thank you so much for joining Beautyland After Tennis, and see you in the next video.